Hey, welcome back. In this episode, we're going to look into implementing a build strategy, which include configuring agent demands as well. My name is Sushant Satish, and I'm your trainer for this Microsoft Certified Azure DevOps Engineer certification course. So, without wasting any more time, let's get into it. So, let's look into how you can configure agent demands. Not all agents are same. So we have seen that they can be based on different operating system, but they can also have different dependencies installed. To describe this, every agent has a set of capabilities configured as name value pairs. The capabilities such as machine name and type of operating system that are automatically discovered as referred as system capabilities. The ones that you define are called user capabilities. On the agent pools page at the organization level, when you select an agent, there is a tab for capabilities. You can use it to see the available capabilities for an agent and to configure user capabilities. Let's look at implementing multi agent builds. You can use multiple build agent to support multiple build machines, either to distribute the load or to run build in parallel or to use different agent capabilities. As an example, components of an application might require different incompatible versions of a library or dependency. Adding multiple jobs in a pipeline lets you break your pipeline into sections that need different agent pools or self hosted agents. And this will help you publish artifacts in one job and consume them in one or more subsequent jobs. This helps you build faster by running multiple jobs in parallel and enable conditional execution of tasks as well. To add another agent job to an existing pipeline, you can click on this ellipsis. And what about parallel job? At the organization level, you can configure the number of parallel jobs that are made available. The free tier allows for one parallel job for up to 1800 minutes per month. The self hosted agent has higher levels. Please note that you can define a build as a collection of jobs rather than a single job. Each job consumes one of these parallel jobs that runs on an agent. If there aren't enough parallel jobs available for your organization, the jobs will be queued and run sequentially. That concludes this lesson. In the next episode, we are going to look into integration with Azure pipelines. I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care.